Right guys, check it out. We got the Hobao Hyper SSE out again for another rip, running on 6S. These are some clips from the last video where we got it up to about 55 mile an hour. Now, you couldn't pin it because as soon as you get it to full throttle, the tyres start flapping about. So found some old like road tyres, again from an old, it was an old Hyper 7 Nitro car. These are pretty old tyres, but they look like they'll do the job. Now on the tarmac they felt really good, they felt really nice, so let's send it up and down the strip, see what it can do. Blown these tyres as well. Only 52 on those tyres. Right, we'll give the Hyper one more go. This time we got a bit of a different combo. The front tyres kept blowing off, the spiked ones, and then when I tried it with all the road tyres, one of the rears blew off. So we're going to go for the buggy spikes on the back, the road tyres on the front. What can it do? Oh, sounded like some kind of tyre letting go. Again. 52. I think that is what we're going to get out of this setup. So what's next? Better tyres is next. Bigger pinion. I think we're at the top end of that pinion. Got it flat out there. Oh, the back tyre's starting to go. Yeah. So some decent wheels and tyres and this will rip. But the off-road bashing, this thing 50 mile an hour, it's awesome. Check it out. Oh no! Wing! Oh! Rear tyres fighting for its life.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.